Hey, welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how to create Wikipedia account, pages, and also I will show you how to use the info boxes for your company profile or even for your any personal profile. Also, I will show you how to use the syntax in Wikipedia so that you can easily customize anything about the Wikipedia pages. So let's go onto the screen. We're going to the Wikipedia account, Wikipedia website, and then we will create Wikipedia. Okay, so let's go to the wikipedia.org where we will actually create an account to move forward. So here you can choose any language which actually represent you actually you know about the language. So we are actually going to go with the English language. Okay, so we will get this page. So this page is the home page, but we will actually create an account. So we should go to this section, create an account. So it's very simple and easy process which you can follow. So we will just create here like 247. Okay, yes, this one is not okay, no problem with that. Now we can give a password here, something like that. Okay, again the password. Okay, password is missed, and we will just import here an email. So for this account I will actually use this email actually. Okay, so I'm using this email. Okay, so everything is good, and now we should put here the verification capture. EDSELHENRY. I believe this one is correct. Let me check. Okay, create your account. If this is not correct, then we should actually input the correct one. Okay, oh, that's work. So we actually created the Wikipedia account perfectly. Now we have some steps we can easily just fill up whatever you think that which one is answer is best for you. What did you create your account today? We actually want to create a new Wikipedia account for our company profile or my for personal use. So we can choose here create a Wikipedia article, something like that, or edit it, yes, many times, or if you don't know about this, then I do not remember or something like that, you can use something like that. It's not actually important actually how many languages you want to see. You can just choose here, then actually they will take this from your account. So it's not actually very important for your account, but it is very important for you that if you are a new Wikipedia, if you create a new Wikipedia account, then you won't be able to submit pages to the Wikipedia, because every single pages must be verified from the Wikipedia, because they will see what article you actually posted and is there any valuation you got. Like you can just simply copy it from any other site to you creating pages, but in that case you should be very careful. Wikipedia do not take any copy and paste stuffs, so you should be very authentic in that part. Now I will show you how to create the Wikipedia pages. So you can search over here that create Wikipedia pages instead of going to the this section sandbox. So here actually you can easily find, since sandbox means like you are actually creating pages, and those pages which is not approved by the Wikipedia, every single pages you should first create in the sandbox. From the sandbox, then you will actually submit the pages to the Wikipedia. So let's go to the sandbox, and this page will come up here. It means that this is the page where actually you will create the pages for yourself. So I will show you the two methods to editing the pages. So here's an option which is a source editing, and this is an option is visual editing. The source editing is something like that, use some syntax. We can actually edit the page content and the images by using some syntax of the Wikipedia. And if we want to go with the visual editing, then we can actually edit the page just manually. Here, like, you can put here something like that, and you can easily put anything over here. So in most of the cases, sometimes you need to upload the images for yourselves. So in that case, just I will show you the method. Actually, I'm not going to upload because the video will be lengthy. So what you can do, just here's an option, upload file. You should go there. For any purpose you want to just use the images, because here's no option to use any images. So what you can do is you can just simply upload over here any image, then just copy the name of the image and just paste over here anywhere you want. So in that case you can easily just upload the images in the Wikipedia. So that is very important for you if you want to, if you are going to create the Wikipedia company profile or any personal profile. So I'm just copying this text, just show you something. So if you want to just change paragraph, here's an option. If you want to text, this is very easy. If you want to link something, then you can easily do it from here. Okay, so it is very easy process. External site or any other things you can add simply over here. So here's a quotation. This is just something alignment and bullet points, some important things. Now what is the very important part in this section? Like in Wikipedia you will see most cases, like I'm going to show you another page, like Tesla Wikipedia. Okay, let's go to their profile. What actually they represent? What actually they represent? They are representing their logo. They are an official image, and also these are the very important things. So how you can do these boxes, and how you can add the information here. Also you already have come to know that how can you use this type of content. This type of content means that you actually simply creating the content here. But what actually this info box represent? So in that case you should go to, like we want to do this section, go to this one, and here's an option, template. So let's go into the template, and here multiple types of infoboxes so we can use simply, like Infobox has an option, and you can use like materials Infobox. So these are the option actually you can use in this section, and actually this is just an example, and what actually the feed for yourself, it actually depend on you what types of, because no like this is an info box, like you see that this is something different than this one. So it means that they actually use two types of info boxes, but every single info box is just a template. You should just choose from over here, material info box. Okay, let's see what come. I think this is not coming. Okay, okay, no problem. We can just go with one info box. Then you can just simply click over here, and you can just post the titles and images, caption, everything you can simply input over here. Okay, so images, just you can simply this on, so as I told you earlier. So what actually it will come like the I have no images uploaded, so that's why there is nothing shown over here. But what exactly will show over here, this is the section. So it actually showing this simple part, but when you will upload everything, then it will show a box over here, and you can simply just click over here and edit everything whatever you want. So this is just a simple video for you how to create Wikipedia pages or profile, anything. You, if you want to just like make it your profile, then it's very easy. Just you can customize it to yourself for your personal profile. So if you want to edit this page in source, just go to the section, and I believe this section will show you everything like titles. You can see change from here, caption you can change from here, everything you will be able to change over here. So this actually the secret about the Wikipedia page creating, info boxes, and the syntax. So that's all about. So if this video actually helpful for you, then I would request you to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up, so that I can inspire and make more videos something like that, which can be very helpful who actually seeking for this video in the YouTube. So thanks for watching, hope to see you in another video.